여기 어디예요?
여기 공항이에요.
공항에 왜 왔어요?
It's kind of a funny story, but a couple weeks ago I told you I wanted to go to the Lantern Festival, and then like 2 days later they said they invited us. So
Wow, what a coincidence.
it was
and
really weird timing.
you are so lucky actually. So that's why we are going to Sachon Airport now.
Yes.
Have you ever been there, Sachon
I
Airport?
don't think so, no. I'm so excited. I'm going to see the Lantern Festival, finally.
그럼 출발.
제발.
What happened?
Oh, because I'm 외국인. They always have to like check my name because
Yeah.
it's too long.
맞아. 이름이 항상 문제, 이름이.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Sachon Airport.
사천 공항 도착했습니다.
We made it!
We made it.
Wow, the flight was only 45 minutes from Seoul. It was so easy. And this airport is really cozy too. It's
귀엽다.
nice.
안녕하세요. 밤에 예쁘겠다. 와, 엄청 예쁘겠네요. 감사합니다. 예, 고맙습니다. 네, 고맙습니다.
오, 한국말 잘하시네.
영어도 있나요?
영어 있어.
I'm so excited. So we finally got here, and I really want to see this at nighttime. So I'm just waiting for it to get dark quickly.
This is so cute.
It's so cute. This is like the mascot of Jinju, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the map looks huge. I think this is going to be like a really big lantern installation. Oh, I'm so excited. Are you ready? I think at night, these are going to light up too. So cute. It looks like this area is for families, and they have tons of traditional games you can try and experience. Oh, it's my country's bird.
Oh, it's welcoming you.
Yes, thank you.
안녕. 오. 오, 잘하네요.
Look, they have English like explanations on all of the lanterns too. That's really cool. The theme here also, they have like each different country has representation, it seems. I always love like the traditional places in Korea, so it's beautiful to see this. Wow, all of these are lanterns. At nighttime, it's going to be gorgeous. Oh, get dark soon, please. Help! Don't shoot!
Don't shoot my wife.
Don't shoot! Oh, there's like a whole battle scene here. It's pretty cool.
This is so cool because each section
Yeah.
is a theme.
I know! And look at the detail. All of these lantern people.
Did you notice something?
They're Japanese.
Yeah.
And they're trying to defend
오,
the gate, right?
맞아요.
Yes. There's a really famous story here of Nonge, and what she did is she lured a Japanese general to this cliff, and she dragged him over the edge. So she like sacrificed herself for Korea, and she's a really famous like icon in history.
Do you think you can do that?
No, that's
No.
why I think it's amazing she did. This is actually humongous.
It's really good for your 산책.
Seriously, yes. We got our snacks and we're just watching the sunset right now, waiting for all the lanterns to light up.
Wow, sunset is really pretty.
Oh, it's gorgeous here.
How's your sotok?
It's so good because I have the best view and it's like the perfect spot to eat this.
Wanna try the Uzbekistan food?
Yeah, definitely. Oh, that's really good. Yum. Oh, more treats. Good. The spy one is so cute.
여보, you're not the kid.
Hey, it's cute though. All the kids were jealous. They were eyeing this. They wanted to take it. It's finally nighttime, so we're going to start off our lantern tour now. We're starting in Zone A, and then we'll work our way all the way down to Zone G. So let's go. This is absolutely gorgeous here. I feel like I'm transported back in time.
So each section has a theme here. So what do you think the theme of this?
Oh, I think it's the battle between Japan and Korea.
맞아요.
Right? Yes. Ooh, it's so pretty.
와, 배들이 진짜 아기자기하다.
Okay, we're in section B right now, and this section represents all of the companies and businesses in Jinju.
Do you know any symbol of these?
I think I see that one, Nonya?
Yeah?
Hanaro, right?
아, 맞아요. 하나로.
Yeah.
다니엘 자주 가잖아요.
That's right.
What about that? 저기 소주는?
Oh, I'm not really sure.
좋은데.
Oh, Chondae, okay.
That's popular in this area.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, cool. I love that you can see the city wall glowing here too. It's beautiful. And behind us here we have like a local food market, so you can enjoy the food, kind of relax and just have fun. I'm totally in love with this character of Jinju. It's so cute.
You kind of obsessed with.
I'm a little obsessed, yes. But this is a totally different landscape when you're walking in the daytime versus nighttime. It's just incredible. MJ, wait for it. Whoa.
Wow.
That's so cool.
Spectacular.
Yeah. Now we're at section C, and our theme is France. Now we're in section D, and the theme is Beauty of Korea.
Do you recognize anything from here?
Yes, actually that building, the observatory from Gyeongju, right?
Oh yeah, when we went to Gyeongju.
That's right.
You saw it in person.
Yes,
Does it look like a real one?
it does, but
It
more
does?
glowy.
Anything else?
Oh yeah, the bullfights.
Oh, the 소싸움?
Yeah. We're moving further down the river, and now we're in section E. So this theme is old school nostalgia.
Look at the ferry.
Yeah, I know, it's gorgeous. So we have here like pencils, calculators, scissors, all like the kind of old school symbols. Right here is the best view of the fortress behind me, all lit up and glowy. And next to us we have a concert going as well. This is so worth it. I'm having so much fun. And it's beyond my expectations how gorgeous everything is. Now we're in Zone F, and here the theme is like children's books and fairy tales. So here we have like the Emperor's New Clothes. That story.
입장해 주실게요.
Oh, here is General Lee. No, I know, I recognize this story, Snow White.
Oh, Daniel.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
What?
Isn't that story from Kansas?
Wizard of Oz?
Yes.
Yes, you're right.
Wow.
I definitely want my parents to come here. They would love this.
Because since they live in Kansas.
Yeah, Kansas representation, sure. Okay, we're in our last section, section G, and this section, the theme is about peace. And you know, our world right now is kind of having a lot of unrest.
They should come here.
They should come here,
Yeah.
yes.
And it here makes they happy.
Yes, their heart will be healed, maybe. Every section has its own street food. So if you miss section A or section C, don't worry because you can have street food pretty much everywhere here.
Which food do you want to try next?
Oh, 너무 배불러요. Really
배불러?
stuffed. I'm so stuffed.
But so many options
I
here.
know, there's too much good food I want to try. I know, Pumba. Every single festival in Korea has like this kind of performance. So fun. This reminds me when I was in Europe, like the view of the castles.
Like Budapest?
Like Budapest, exactly, yes. But like way more beautiful. This is our finale. 유람선 탈 거예요. We're going to take a boat through the whole lanterns.
Oh, it's gonna be really pretty.
I'm so excited for this. This is like what I really wanted to do when I came here. We booked our slot like 2 hours in advance because there was no other times available, so make sure you know that. Come early, get your spot, and then you can see the rest of the festival first.
예, 감사합니다.
Let's go.
음식점이라든지 특산물 판매점이라든지 행사에 따라서 그런
I'm staring at you. You don't even notice. Should've told you straight away. You don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know. You know. That I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance. And the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you.
이렇게 잠깐 돌아가면 이 공간 사이로 저 의암이 나타납니다. 시루떡처럼 방에 있는 것이 의암입니다. 촉성누는 우리 남한에서 제일 먼저 건립된 누각입니다. 누라고 하면 저렇게 2층이어야 되고
네, 팔찌 바로 입장하실게요.
하하. free pass.
So worth it, actually. We've been on so many bridges. Really worth it. Oh, here's humongous. It's never ending of lanterns. You can't spend just a day is not enough. You need like 2-3 days to see everything.
The guide said they have 70,000 lanterns.
70,000 lanterns? Wow.
Oh, nighttime is like this.
Wow. This is so much better.
진짜.
Oh,
So much better than the
daytime?
daytime.
Yeah. This is incredible. Seriously, I can't believe they put this all together.
And then-
I can't believe it. Look at this. It looks so real. Like so many details. Crazy. Look at the tunnel.
어디가? Stop. How was it today?
Oh, it was so good. It was like a dream come true for me. I've always wanted to come here, and I'm so glad we finally made it happen.
What was your favorite lantern today?
My favorite lantern?
Yeah.
I really liked the boats, actually. I thought they were just beautiful and simple, and I like those a lot. And the dragons. How about you?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, so many pretty lanterns here, but I have to admit that sea otter
Oh,
is really pretty.
the mascot of Jinju.
Yeah.
Hamo.
하모.
Oh, so cute.
알아? 하모?
You told me it's like the Satori
Yeah.
of like,
진주's dialect?
yes.
Like yes.
So cute. I know. We fell in love. I just can't believe how many lanterns are here. It's unlike anything I've ever seen in my life. Next time, I really want to bring my family and friends here. I really enjoyed Jinju Lantern Festival. This is one of the best experiences in Korea so far. Well, anyway, 집에 가자.
집에 가자.